Oh my, the excuses.
Yeah, it's a lot. There's a lot of excuses, man.
Get to the squats.
Tim, get in there. Get in there.
He wore the shortest shorts that he owns.
Yeah, those are the shortest shorts he owns for sure.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god, dude. Someone just gifted 100 subs.
Jeez.
Dude. Yo, Edgemus Prime, thank you so much for gifting 100 subs, man. That's $500 for those of you guys who don't know. Guys, please get some ninja katanas in the chat. Edicus, thank you so much, man. Edgemus. Yo, mods, can we make a list starting from now? We'll call it exclamation point like gift kings or something like that. Where people who gift over 100 subs get on that list.
Don't forget the one dress shirt he got married in and will be buried in. That's his one shirt that still has sleeves. That's it. That's it.
I'm buffering. You guys buffering?
Anyone that gifts 100, man.
Negative?
Oh, rip.
Yeah, I'm buffering too.
Oh, just did.
Oh,
wow,
okay.
Rip the stream.
Yikes. He hit one button.
Tim, this is why just don't touch anything, Tim. Jeez, dude.
What do you think the possibility is that he planned on doing this stream and maybe like set anything up beforehand?
It was pretty high. Like this is like this isn't live, like you're saying.
No, I mean like he like tested any of this at all before he went live.
Oh no,
zero, dude. No way, no way. I bet you he cut stream and then panic plugged stuff in to see if it would work, and then just said, "F it, let's see what happens."
Doing it live, F it.
All right, we're back.
Yep. Staring at his phone.
What would have been smart is if Tim did a pre-record and then just put a video up. You know, went live and then put a video up, and then did exactly what he's doing. Like this isn't live. This is pre-recorded content.
I'm gonna ask an honest question. Do you think Tim? That's something that Tim would think of?
No. Tim lacks what's the word? Foresight.
That's funny. Yeah, I don't give Adam what's up, dude.
Listen, it's gonna get the job done.
I'm excited to see this athletic man, this specimen.
He's not dropping frames.
No,
he's not. He's stalling.
He's a specimen. He's stalling for sure. He's nervous. All right. He is wearing short shorts, so I really hope that there's no I don't know, no slippage. If you know what I mean. You won't be able to.
Thinking about lights.
I love it.
Hang on, chat.
Did he just turn the lights off?
He did. He turned the lights off.
What is happening?
I'm so uncomfortable if he's gonna work out in the dark.
Curl one way.
This light bulb is hot. What deductive skills?
Him.
What am I watching?
Just you hear him screaming "Ow!" Absolute content.
This is the content that I sub for.
I'm changing my stream title to "Watching Tim Lift," but lift is in quotes.
I love what you've done with the
Tim in the dark, not Tim after dark. Tim in the dark.
Thanks.
The way of the road, dude.
I'm here.
Aspiring songwriter.
Here.
Oh gosh. Captain Lasercat.
Affirmative.
What is happening?
Whoa, what's happening?
He's playing music. That's from his stream.
What?
I just asked, where's the gameplay?
He's listening. You gotta be Dylan Francis, right? That's what it is.
He just gonna like work out?
Yeah, he's
super loud
warming up.
music and sound?
Look at the wingspan on this.
Yeah,
there we go.
This.
Oh gosh.
Oh god.
I'm uncomfortable.
This looks like her got it 2 days ago. Still
Get low. Get it, Tim.
Hi, Lupa.
You don't want to. You can't pull a muscle. You don't want to pull a muscle.
Yeah. Don't want to pull a hammy.
Oh my god, dude.
Dude, is he gonna work out?
He's changing songs because it's not the right music for him to warm up to, dude. He's saving that one for squats, he said.
Dude, all he did was like stretch. Oh my god.
I can do one push-up right now, and I'm ahead of it.
NDA me, so I can play him.
Dylan won't NDA me. It's not up to Dylan, dude.
He controls his own label.
I can't see you, by the way, Chad. Just so you know.
This is a
All
good
right,
song.
what
This is a
kind of
good.
numbers-
This is a good song. It's a good song. It's a good song. Yeah.
Warming up.
What kind of weight do you think he's gonna move around here, gentlemen? What
I mean,
what kind of numbers are we looking at?
I mean, he's ripped, dude. Like I know he can lift a lot.
Powerful creature.
Is the volume okay, by the way?
Imagine a world where he turned the music down and I could hear what he was saying.
He literally
Here's
said,
what I'm
"Is the
thinking,
volume
bro.
okay?" By the way.
Bro, some curls, some cable curls, we'll call them, dude. All right? All right. Okay.
He thinks about working out more than he actually works out.
Just pick up the weight.
There's a
Just
lot of
pick up
planning
the
going in.
weight.
So, like, should I curl in front of you guys?
Whoa,
right.
picked him up.
Do I curl?
Here we go.
He's walking around with him.
I've moved.
He literally
Dust ball.
walked. There he goes.
I guess.
Please tell me he just
Ooh.
walks around with him.
Yeah, can he like look at us?
You don't want to make eye contact with Chad, dude.
I guess I should do it in front of you.
I guess I should do it in front of you.
Yeah.
Only Tim can make this just as funny as his normal streams.
I'm so happy that this is happening.
Bro, I haven't lived time for so
Hasn't he ever watched Bahira, dude?
It's been a minute.
Is he winded after curling those 20-pound weights?
Were those weights 20 pounds?
I'm looking at so there's probably on the far left you only see one of them, but those are probably like
Volume okay?
5.
Music to voice,
I'm thinking
I
5,
know
10, 15,
This is so loud.
20.
I
It could be
can't hear them yelling.
25s. The 25s or 30s. I don't know. Depends on the set that he uses.
Bro, I already put coconut butter on.
He already put coconut butter on. Oh my god.
Chat says it might be 35s. 25s or 30s.
People are watching, brother.
Ah, yeah, baby. Oh wait, is Ninja watching? That means Ninja's watching. Man.
He didn't even do anything. He's jacked.
You just figured out that we have his stream up.
Sorry. So Ninja's watching. Well,
Oh
not more
my
nervous.
God.
That's good.
What
Is he?
happening?
Is this real?
Set, all right? Play to the
Guys, how long do we have to watch this for?
I want to see him. I want to see him move the bar at least. He's going back for the same weights.
You know what, chat? You know what I've realized? I'm gonna start.
We're
running
going again.
ads on you.
Round 2. He looks tired.
That's what I'm taking from this whole thing. I can't, Alexa.
Oh, we got
play
one.
Despacito.
Oh, he gave up.
Hang on. Oh. I have no idea what song this is.
Yeah,
If
he
you
needs a
donate,
trainer.
I'm probably gonna miss it.
Oh
Alright.
my
All
god.
right, now let's try some real weight, little bro.
Bro, these are 35s. What you mean? Are you kidding? One.
All right,
you
that's
mean?
35s.
One, baby. Two. I haven't lifted a weight in months. Yeah, baby.
3.
I lost count. What am I on?
Dude,
This is
I expect a montage of this from somebody by the end of the day.
I'm gonna get a glass of water. This is
Okay.
this is so golden.
That's
water.
ridiculous, dude.
Dude, I just want to see Tim like just freaking squat.
What an absolute.
I want to see him move the
Unit.
bar, dude.
I just want to see him squat.
Pull your weight up.
I love how he's doing the classic tough guy hand over wrist.
oh, and
Yeah.
he keeps
Oh, yeah.
doing it
Trick form.
like he's at a wedding.
And yeah, he is kipping the weight quite a bit. He's leaning into it.
Oh, look at that.
yeah. He's not straight doing it.
That was better.
Tim's
That
so
was-
big.
Yeah, baby. Oh, it's the
Just gonna say yeah, baby. Can I get an editor to just... Oh my god. Just yells. That's the way to... He's just gonna do arms all the
That's
whole
it. Yeah,
stream.
just arms, dude.
Just arms.
Just arms. He's not shiny enough, dude.
He's not.
I want that one again. That was a good song. Wait! Nah, I played again, dude. That was a good song, bro.
Picked up 3 times now. It's crazy.
Like, I feel like if I go to his house, I'm actually gonna ruin the content. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like, I'm gonna make it worse.
Is he working out on the set of Dexter?
This is where he murders.
Oh, that's a good one, then. Is this Dexter? Okay, guys,
I thought they
think
shut that
the
show down.
$10 hey man.
Gym in there?
No,
Is that
say,
what
hey man,
happened?
watch your streams for a while. I love the positivity you bring to the platform. Could you say that remixed?
I
remixed
literally, I've
KG
worked out
and
with
KJ
him.
are trash.
Doesn't.
David, thank you for the
Literally
10, man.
never seen
Glad
him
you love
do
the shirt,
this.
dude.
Yeah,
The resistance armband thing has never
Yeah.
been a thing.
What is the goal here?
I don't know. I can't
not
tell if
really-
he's working his tries or stretching.
That is literally the lowest resistance of band they make.
Yeah.
It's hard for me to like.
It's like
know if I'm
5
on
Like,
camera, so if I'm out of-
As a person that uses resistance bands, that is, we laugh at that one.
That one. You have to go out of your way to find one with that little resistance.
Is that a child's resistance band, Tim?
We're like, hey, can I get the red band? They're like, oh, we didn't bring that one. No one uses that. What are you talking about?
Look, his lights in there too, because I need to feel like I'm being blinded by his athleticism.
Dude, Tim is just a big bear, dude. You know what I mean? Get it, Tim.
He's kipping again. That was the problem.
Shout out
Come on,
to all
Tim.
the weightlifting
Fix the
pros
form.
That came out for this stream, Kappa. You are not a snack anymore. You're a full baby.
It's not a snack anymore. You're a full-size meal. Well, I love that. He looks like a ninja. You know what I mean?
I feel like
Yeah,
Kevin
you know what I mean.
would have squatted by now.
Yeah.
Right?
Imagine if he worked out any muscle other than his biceps right now.
Yeah. And yeah.
Okay, he's obviously doing arms, but you know. But yeah.
I think all
This
he
is-
knows all he's gonna do is arms.
It's it. That's all he knows how to do.
From my chat, he keeps going off camera because he has a piece of cake over there for in between sets.
Play that song one more time.
He's just
All right, I need a second, man.
taking a couple bites.
Good pump.
Dexter really let himself go.
Is he the guy that
Dexter really let himself go.
Perfect chat, and I'll never try.
I actually think he has Chick-fil-A like on the side there.
I would do 100.
Tim's the guy who gets kicked out of Planet Fitness for hogging weights for 20 minutes and says he's resting between sets.
Just for the record, all right? I haven't lifted. since
So
we-
do they make those weights for men?
Oh
Uncaged
God,
the beast.
the
bro.
excuse before he does it.
Bro, I haven't. All right?
Do they make those
It's
weights?
been a while. All I'm doing is cardio. This little thing, you can't even see it. It's over there. Listen, I'm not. Listen, Chad. I appreciate you. All right?
Listen,
I'm not
Chad.
gonna hurt myself. Okay, I'm not gonna like throw my back out or something. I'm gonna do squats. All right, I'm not going heavy. I don't want to pull a hammy. Okay. You
I
know
don't
what
want
I'm
to pull a hammy.
Let's get it, dude. Yeah.
Oh yeah, this is the butt song from Dylan. Yeah.
Woo!
Well, did you see what that donation said?
No, what did it say?
So it was so the guy said something like about how we're talking trash about him in our streams, and who's that Lupo guy? And I didn't even read it all. It's something stupid. It's somebody that's very jealous. It's okay, dude. Thanks for
Very
watching my stream,
jealous.
though. Appreciate your ad revenue.
Thanks for the content. Here we go. Oh, get low for this? This is perfect.
Yeah. I think he's gonna wait for the drop too.
Oh, here you go.
Did he change shorts?
Oh, is that? Well, you just go
No.
for it. No, these look longer.
Hate him, you training to
Terrible
be
form.
his bodyguard.
Terrible form.
XD love your butt.
No.
He's gonna dump.
Oh man, I'm slightly getting aroused.
Look at that.
When I squatted, I never had like that amount of back fat or muscle. I had I had nothing, so I always had to have like a little help, a little thing,
Yeah.
whatever,
Little pad.
a little pad, yeah.
This is
Honest about it.
Real deep squats, man.
He's squatting 135.
Yeah, that's 135, 45 each time. Dude, my max squat in high school, senior year, was like, I want to say it was like 350.
What? No.
Yeah?
Dude,
How much did you weigh?
I don't believe you.
175 pounds.
There's no way.
It was box squat.
Pull up the record.
It was box squat.
Remember to
Show-
box
show me
squat.
the car backs.
100K for Saint Jude for this to happen.
Get me, dude?
You squatted it on top of a box?
You sit on a box, you know what I mean? Like, so you don't go all the way down?
Oh, okay.
Oh. Yeah, you
feel like
just,
that's cheating.
just sit down
No,
onto the.
it's like no, box squat, yeah. So it's like yeah, it wasn't like full squats. Man,
Yeah.
8 to 10. 8 to 10.
How tall are you, Ninja?
6'2.5".
6'1". Okay.
My chat, Ninja can't lift. He does Pilates and Zumba.
They don't knock Pilates, brother.
Trevor comes in on a no.
Tricycle is gonna come out soon.
Yeah, I do Pilates 3 times a week in the off season. I know everyone thinks I'm kidding. I'm actually not.
Nah, dude, more power to you. Embrace it.
So Tim, dude, get it, man. I'm just glad Tim's not going too hard, dude. He's not trying to impress anyone. He's just keep making sure he's staying safe.
What do you mean?
It's good. Glad he's staying safe.
What do you mean what kind of food I'm eating?
I'm eating cake.
I'm eating good, dude.
Low.
This stance.
Tim, do it for the vine. I ain't gonna do it. DJ Reaper, thank you for the 15 man. Nico, thank you for the 1,000 bits. Fearless Butcher, thank you for the $10 dono. So, what franchise would you like to see crossover for Fortnite mode? Star Wars, Looney Tunes, Marvel, Star Wars 100%. Someone asked me this. I want to hear you guys' opinion too.
Okay.
What do you want to see a crossover more for Fortnite? Star Wars, Looney Tunes, or Marvel?
I'm not trying to hurt myself.
Ooh, I said Star Wars.
Dude, Looney Tunes would actually be hilarious. I feel like Star Wars. Okay, so do they add a melee weapon in finally? Because that'd be
No, I
pretty
think
sick.
that they just make the scythe would be the lightsaber,
Shorts.
Okay.
and then they can add a bunch of emotes of like force choking and the lightning, force lightning, and
Are my shorts bad?
That actually, okay, that would be pretty cool.
I'm not lifting
That would be
heavy.
pretty
I'm
cool.
using 135.
I'd be down
So
for
I'm gonna
Star
take it
Wars.
easy. I only used a belt if I was like over 270, 300. Man, I'm sweaty, bro. I might put some more cocoa butter on there. I don't know, man.
He hasn't been sweaty in months.
yeah. Tim has the exact body makeup
Yeah.
of you know what I'm trying to say too.
I don't.
Chris Farley,
Oh yeah.
literally identical.
Serious